In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for Amazon products efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just dipping your toes into the world of advertising, these steps will set you up for success. So let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Google Ads website. This is the starting point for our journey. You can find it easily by searching Google Ads in your browser, and it should be the top result. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to sign in, which is the gateway to access your existing account or create a new one if you're just starting out. Clicking sign in will prompt you to enter your Google credentials. Once logged in, you're now on what we call the Google Ads home, your dashboard for all ad related activities. Navigating to your campaigns tab is our next key step. This tab is where all the action happens. Click on campaigns from the main dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a create button. Clicking on create is your next move. This is the initiation of your ad campaign journey, so get ready to set up something great. Now with a click of that button, we step into the campaign setup process. This is your chance to tailor your Google Ads campaign to suit the specific needs of your Amazon products. Pay close attention here, as this is where you decide the type of campaign you want to run. Google provides several options such as search, display, shopping and more, each serving different goals and strategies. Depending on your target audience and campaign objectives, make the best choice for your needs. Once your campaign type is selected, the next steps involve configuring finer details like budget settings, targeting options, and uploading creatives if necessary. Remember, clarity and precision in this stage are crucial. Having a well-defined budget and audience can make a big difference in reaching potential customers. Be sure to incorporate keywords relevant to your products, allowing your ads to appear when users search for similar items. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up Google Ads to promote your Amazon products. With careful planning and strategic execution, your ads can drive meaningful traffic and sales conversions. Remember, the digital landscape is dynamic, so be prepared to monitor your campaigns regularly and adjust as market trends evolve. I hope this walkthrough provided the steps you needed to get started. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.